Great. So here I am back inside Unreal Engine, and what I want to do is I just simply added those to my desktop, which is fine. So we need to import those in. So let's go into our content drawer, and I'm going to actually create folders. It's great to be organized. You don't have to do this, but I just right clicked and said new folder. And I'm going to say, well, I'm going to have one for animations. And then I'll right click again and say new folder, and I'll create one for characters. Alright, cool. So let's import our character first. So I'm gonna double click inside my folder here, and I'm gonna right click, and I'm going to choose import content, and let me go in and find my FBX of my character, and I'm gonna click open. Alright, now we need to take a look at this. This is our character. Now I don't want to, right now it has import animations. I don't want to do that. Alright, I just want the skeletal mesh. So that should all be set. And then I'm going to say import. And let's see if my character imported. Yes, they did here. Alright, now another thing that you're going to want to do is in the filter, just make sure you have skeletal mesh selected. So if I click back this and I say skeletal mesh, this is just an easier way to search for content. So this is the character that we will bring in, because it brought like 3 different ones, and that's fine. That's just the way Unreal wants you to import it. But the skeletal mesh is really what we need, and that's good there. So got skeletal mesh selected, so remember, just click this and just choose skeletal mesh and highlight it. Cool. So now let's go back to our content. Now I do need to unselect this so I can see everything else, and then let's go into our animations, and then I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna say import content, and I have my running, and then I have my walking. I'm going to select both of those, and I'm going to open that, and everything should be good. But what I want to do is I want to tie this animation to my character here. Now I don't have to do this, isn't necessarily required, but it's going to be really simple, so that way this character will have its animations tied to them. So what you do is in skeleton, you click, and you should see the skeleton that you chose, and now it's going to be any animation, those animations that I brought in, they're going to be tied to this character. So I'm going to say import all, and there we go. Our animations are in here. So that is good to go. So we've brought in our animations inside of Unreal and our character. So in the next video, what we'll do is we will actually go in and animate.